You happy with your gifts, girls?
Yeah.
I think there's more. Go look in the box.
No, there's nothing. Except for a clue. We're kidding. This is not the real thing. If you ask us nicely, next clue can make you sing.
That's not it. Next clue daw.
I'll give you a hint. It's not an egg, and
It's the real thing.
very well hidden. It's something that will make you sing.
What's this?
That's not it. It's getting hot.
Basket, basket.
Not the basket.
Piano.
Mm-hmm. What did Laura find?
Careful.
It's fragile. What is it, Laura? Are you sure? It's just a case. Open it. Let's see.
Camera.
It's a case for your new pink camera. For your old new pink camera.
Okay, what do you say to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you. Whatever it is.
What is it?
I told you it's a pink camera.
How'd you guess, huh?
Daddy gave it away.
Uh-oh, Daddy. The end.
You weren't told by